morning, everyone.
Good morning. Nice to see you all here and running.
Where's Freddy? He's on a business trip.
So you won't be back for a while.
Yeah.
Well, we should be doing something while he's gone. Shadow Bonnie, is there any chance you could tell us more about this group? I sadly can't because I barely know anything about it. But you were a part of it. I was just a lackey. That doesn't make any sense. Well, don't worry. I think I know what to do. And no, come with me. We're gonna go to the metro to see if anyone can know some answers.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Metro, if I can remember the metro. Oh, I see it. Oh. All right, I see the metro. Yep, this is it. The metro. Okay.
Oh, that doesn't hurt.
By the way, this sounds going to make it hear much better.
Hello? Anybody home? Oh, this isn't home.
Oh, I see someone. Yo, there, buddy. Can you tell me about a secret group? Secret group? I don't know anything about that. Well, actually, I do know about some group. You know their name? Nope. But I know they've been hunting something called Glitch Trap. Yeah, we're trying to look for them. Why? They think we're evil. How come? They think we're Glitch Trap.
Us. Glitch Trap. Crazy.
Yeah, very crazy. But you know, I think there may be some clues in the shop. A shop? Oh yeah, that shop. Maybe you should go there. I mean, store has changed a lot.
You mean the one that sells food?
You mean toys? Toys? Yeah, they sell toys now. Okay then, thank you for the help.
Well, better get going.
Yeah, we should be getting going. Go. Yeah. I believe that store turned into a toy store. How is that even possible? There's no way that thing could be possible at all. Oh, What's that noise? Oh! Whoa! Who are you?
I'm a gift from an unknown person.
Oh. Nice to meet ya.
I will aid anyone I first see.
Alright. How about you follow us to the store? The store must be here. Buy this.
Hey.
Hey.
Toys?
Yeah, but also to talk, see,
I thought you were found food. I decided to move on to toys.
as I can see, those are some toys. Look at these things. We have some plushies. We have balloons. Oh, look at these things. These are nice. Oh. Look at those. Oh, that's like that icicle you have in that stick.
That icicle got twisted.
Oh, sorry. Let me just take that out. Okay. Let's see what other stuff are here. We have some. Ooh, a nice Freddy head. Some shovel, hammer, what the? Half price? Doing here next to the tree?
What if it's half price I'm getting?
Okay. I'll show it off to hey, Winstrap. My friend would like to buy this thing. Oh, here's the money. Yeah, we're grabbing it. I think we can just move it. Bye. So, why don't we test this out? Alright, so, what do you think this group could be about?
I don't know.
I mean, it has to be about something. Just can't get my finger into it. And I remember you saying I was in some type of game called FNAF AR? What's that all about? I mean, I don't get it. How am I in a game? It's just something so weird. And thought something happened. Anyway, so weird that I am in FNAF AR and stuff, and all those weird noises I'm hearing. So weird. I really need to figure out about this crew. And was that you, Endo?
No. I don't know what you're talking about.
You said I was in FNAF AR, right?
True.
Are you in FNAF AR? Which means all of you are in FNAF AR. You know, I'm thinking this thing is. I think what you play might lead up to some some people who are actually real and stuff. And if that's true, I'm not sure how big of a war will we have. Why are you making those noises?
What noise?
I keep hearing noises. I have no idea what's that weird noise and stuff. And all the something's here. Where is it? I don't see it anywhere. Huh? What? What is it, droid? Hey, how'd that thing get close? Did you move it?
What was that about the fair thing?
Like it will reveal characters in the future. But don't tell me what they are. I wanna be surprised. So much that there probably is even one behind us right now. Okay, sorry for that. Sorry for that. I didn't mean that at all. What? What is that sound? Why do I keep hearing weird sounds? I hear loads of sounds. I hear like something's moving. Don't know why.
Is there something stuck in that? Maybe over there?
Oh, that thing is alive! What are you? I'm good at fighting. I'll fight ya! Be careful, I have the power of remnant. Not afraid to use. Okay, I'm having hallucinations. I'm hallucinating right now. Ow. Ah. Ah! Oh!
Ability was my sign. Oh wait,
You must be. Oi, I remember you now. You're Balloon Boy. You're the other lackey. Here because of me? Why are you here? Why are you here? Is it because I betrayed you? That I betrayed the team?
Yes, I am. Back for revenge.
Yeah! No! Don't kill him! No! You will not take away my friend! What? Where is it? No, you're outnumbered, Balloon Boy. Look, Balloon Boy. This team you're joining is not good. It thinks I'm the enemy. It thinks that guy over there is not Glitchtrap. He's one of us. Ow! Please, Balloon.
Continue.
Look, if you decide living with us, you can be treated well. I mean, you're a kid. We'll take good care of you.
'Cause you're right.
All right, come on, let's go home. Come on, Endo, we're going home. Hello, everybody. I would like to introduce you to our new friend, Balloon Boy. Come on up. Hey there, little buddy. How are you? What was that for? Doesn't matter, I would've done the same thing. I think you and I can be great friends.